Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the Apple ID credentials you already have. That saves time and prevents account lockouts. Enter the email and password exactly, and if you can't recall the password, use the reset flow. This is faster than guessing. Make sure a trusted device or phone number is nearby for two-factor authentication. Once done, enable a stable Wi-Fi connection and update the device operating system so the sign-in process can complete without compatibility interruptions. Once signed in, you'll often be asked to verify with two-factor authentication. Approve the sign-in on a trusted device or enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your phone. After verification, go to Settings, tap your name, and inspect iCloud, media and purchases, and device backups. This prevents unexpected data loss. You may be prompted to re-enter payment or recovery details. Update those now to avoid interruptions in subscriptions, purchases, or account recovery later. To finish, confirm iCloud sync status for contacts, photos, and backups. Give it several minutes to propagate. If services stall, force a restart and check network settings. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi isn't blocking Apple services. If prompted to merge or replace data, choose the option that preserves your most recent items. Troubleshooting tip: if things still fail, sign out only after a backup, then sign back in. And if necessary, escalate to Apple support with device diagnostics enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.